earthquake felt by the people of Ottawa occurred on Wednesday, April 28, 2021. The earthquake shook Canada until 7:45 p.m., lasting for 30 seconds. The epicenter of the earthquake was in the Ottawa region.
According to the calculation of the Canadian Geological Survey, the earthquake was 8.9 SR. This earthquake resulted in loss of life and damage to buildings. 305 people died and 1,561 people were injured. But this earthquake does not have the potential of tsunami. Residents who have difficulty saving themselves are still trapped in the rubble, while the rest have evacuated themselves to the nearest post. Dozens of excavators were deployed to help speed up the evacuation. Various aids in the form of food and clothing are urgently needed. The local government sent emergency toilets so the refugees could move. Residents did not dare to return home because the intensity of the aftershocks was still high and the government were not to approach the disaster area.